kwa serikali ndio tunataka tutoe. Kwa election tuna elect president, MCA wakifuata mpaka chini. Lakini president akishachaguliwa anafanya gambling. Mwenye tulikuwa tunashindana na yeye anamleta hapa. Sasa tumeona hii broad based government. Ni government ya kutoa wale wengine kwa viti, analeta hawa. Wenye wali contribute percent kubwa ndio wanatolewa kwa government, wanaleta hawa wengine. Hatuwezi endelea na hiyo njia, sababu hata ukiangalia kwa kaunti zetu hiyo mtindo bado inaendelea, especially hapa kwetu Mount Kenya. Nitaongelea issue ya governor. Sijui kama magavana ni venye hawaangaliangi. Huyu mtu anaitwa deputy governor. Tunatoa aje governor mwenye tulielect na kura milioni 2 ama 4? Tunakalisha mtu watu kuchagua. Then tunakubalisha watu wakae hapa 42 ama 47 wanatutolea governor mwenye tulielect. Hiyo mtindo tukiendelea nayo tutaruhusi focus. The same umeona ni kama kwa presidency nayo inaendelea tu. Number 2 ni anakuwa president. How? We cannot allow that. Sasa lazima tukienda kwa election 2027 mwenye tuna elect tunamwambia usichukue number 2 awe presidency. No, we cannot allow that. Sisi tunakuelect tukiwa wa Kenya. Tunakuamini wewe utaongoza hii nchi. Lakini wewe unaendea number 2. Number 2 anakusaidia aje na tulimkataa? Kama ni hivyo tuwe tunachukua number 2 ama tusiwe tunaenda election. Sababu tumeona election kwa huyu tunamleta hapa. Anatuongoza. Sasa for now tulikuwa tumeaminia William Ruto kwa government. Saa hii anakubali Raila Odinga muongoze. Raila Odinga akijaribu kutoka na hapana, wewe tutakupea hawa watu. Hao watu wameappoint, umeona ni wangapi? Ni vijana wangapi wako hapo? Hata mmoja hatukupewa. Na bado tunaendelea tu tukiambua tukae kwa kama. No. You cannot allow that. Mr. Speaker, asanteni sana.
Thank you very much. Kia hapa, one of the member, instead of giving a solution to the youth, is just attacking the youth. We know our problems, but please, when you're speaking about the issue of youth, just come with a solution. Don't try to attack us. Because I always tell people that the only people who can have a solution in this country, they are youth. Right now, we are blaming the president of not appointing the youth. But have we ever questioned ourselves what's about the governors? This young man that has been just appointed here for the PS, he didn't start from the PS, he started from the Kilifi County government. What is that your governor is doing at least to empower the youth? That is the question that all the youth in this country should ask. Because according to the Constitution of Kenya, Article 55 of the Constitution, empower the youth. That is where that Constitution, when you go everywhere in this country, they don't want to implement that Constitution. And that is the pillar of the operation and all the youth issues. This thing should be castrated all the way from national government to the county government. And I've been always saying this. For us youth to get this employment, there is only one way. One, the county government should create those spaces. How are they supposed to create spaces? For example, me, I'm from Siaya County. Why is it the county government of Siaya County, the only way they can create the spaces to employ youth, one, is only through they have what we call the county government corporations. Without the corporation, then there is no vacant. There is no vacant. Because the county government cannot employ more people out of the County Government Act. Because when they do that, then they are going against the act. So if they can come up with the corporations, those are the only places that the youth will get employment. And this is another thing that I've been telling all the county government. Let's have what we call the intergenerational gaps. The intergenerational gaps whereby the youth are supposed to be planted in those places, so that we have the intergenerational gaps in public service. Another challenge that I want to challenge our youth. As much as we want this position, these are public service. You yourself, have you present yourself to take these positions? Because the last time I checked, most of this, even the National Youth Council, there is no election that has been there. So we lack the governance. So on the issue of the youth, first of all, let's position ourselves. And I'm very happy with what I saw with the Mbunge la Mwananchi. And Mr. Speaker, I want to echo you on this. Last time I saw you, last time I saw you that you presented a document to the IEBC. And I think I talked about that thing here, that the Mbunge la Mwananchi should present a document to the IEBC so that we need to have a voice. It is not that every time that the IEBC doing the selection, always they don't take the youth interest in that place. So we need, even this time round, if the IBC commission, in that is the panel list, the youth must be there. And even we need to incorporate the organization like Mbunge la Mwananchi, because we are the people who are going to employ those people through our taxes. With that much ado, Mr. Speaker, may I cannot talk, so that in future we can also be appointed or elected or selected to those public service offices. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, and the session stands adjourned.